Too silly, too silly, too silly, too silly. You are too silly for words. Show me where's Emma again. Could you show us where's Emma? Oh, Emma's gone. Emma's gone. I see a little bit of Emma. Oop, Emma's gone. I see a little bit of Emma. Oops, Emma's gone. And then Emma's back. Emma's back. Emma's back. Oh my. Oh my.
Emma, are you in the car with Granny?
Yeah.
Do you love her? Do you love Granny?
Emma loves, oh, Granny loves Emma.
Are you saying hello?
That's more fun than hello, isn't it? Oh my stars and garters.
Hello.
Hello.
Where's Emma? Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Emmy.
Say hello.
Emmy, get out.
Emma out. You want to get out with Daddy or you want to get out with Granny? Mommy
I am
out?
getting out.
Oh, okay, Mommy's out too. They don't have food in here, I'll starve. Is she doing it herself? Or should I grab her?
No, she can do it.
You can do it by yourself? Oh, Emma.
Can you do it, Emma?
She might be stuck.
Yeah, you might. You can get her.
I think you're stuck, aren't you, sweet love? Okay. Well, beat me to death with the first, Granny.
I got good.
Where are your hair clips?
I got good. I got good. I will up.
Two pairs, really. And one of them's high heels that I just wear for parties, but the other one I wear a lot. $6 at Payless. Emma, what's this? Emmy. From here, and I knew that. I thought they had them.
Turtles.
Yeah. You don't touch those turtles, though, Em.
Touch, I'm sorry.
But Em, look here. Look here. It's okay to touch this turtle. It's okay to just be real gentle.
Good.
You can touch this turtle.
Touch his hand.
Yeah, isn't that a nice turtle? Yeah.
Look, Daddy.
Yeah, it's a turtle, Emma.
It's okay to touch that one.
Wow.
They used to let you touch the snake. I don't know.
Say
if
hi,
it's probably
Daddy.
not anymore. I haven't seen anybody doing that lately.
Let's see the
You can touch
fish.
the turtle.
I see fish.
I see.
bother him. We don't want to disturb him. Let's go over here. Your picture you got last time. No, it has your name. I have everything in that one. So yours is closest to this.
Emma, does it smell?
Emma, if you want anything, Granny will buy it for you. Anything you want, Granny will buy. I thought she might like that. Yeah.
Eggs. I don't think it shakes. Want to try another one?
Not an artist, but I got it.
Look, Emma, this is a snake's skin. This is what the snake's skin feels like when the snake's through with it and sloughs it off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we can't pick that one up. He would say, crunch.
Up.
Up. Right. It's going up. He's on a rock. She's on a rock. What else do you see in there? Do you see any water? There's water in there. Want to look at this? Want to turn it over?
That sounds like the rattle from the rattlesnake, doesn't it? There you go.
I don't know if there's a snake in that one.
Snake has, look, his tongue is coming out. See that? You see the eye?
And at the farm you have,
Turn it around.
over, yeah. At the farm they have all sorts of animals that the kids can see and everything, you know. They have all sorts of activities. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing.
Sharing. Thank you. Let's come down.
That. Yeah, this is, look, the deer have those on their heads like this. Whoa! Yeah, you want to touch? Want to touch? Yeah, we'll put it on Emma's head. Look, on Emma's head.
Oh, you're a queen. Skull's out.
Let's see.
Emma gets up.
You can get up, yes. You can get up, yes.
shoes.
Keep your shoes on, it's okay.
Our shoes. Yeah.
Your shoes off?
Yeah.
Yes?
What's up, Martin? Yes. Whoa. The next shoe.
No. Sticks.
Look, it's a finger puppet. Yeah. I never saw a finger puppet. That mouse girl that was in here. That's Santa. It's Mama. Oh, look at it. I see Mama. I see. I see Mama. Hi, Mommy. Look.
Yes?
That's Lucky. The finger puppets.
Don't let me walk out without my wreath. It's out there in the door, outside on the porch. She said it had my name on it.
I know you love this, Mother.
I don't. Uh-oh, don't fall over, sweetheart.
Emma, get out.
Okay. Let's put your shoes back on and we'll go see something else. We'll go see some birds. How about that? Okay. Yes. Good. Working on it. Yes. And 105. And she lived, her house is back there. She lived. Oh, Emma, you have to come see this.
Go throw it in the trash.
Come
Come on, guys. Let's go this way.
Granny does this at her house, one of
Right.
these creatures at her house. Yeah, and she has one, there's a skunk around her, she has a skunk in her house. Skunk. And we hope we don't run into you. Skunk. Say ah.
Emma, can you say skunk?
Ow.
Oh, did it hurt you? Did it bite you?
Yeah.
Isn't this pretty? Look, there's a squirrel that came to visit Emma.
Why? Why? Oh. Oh.
Squirrel. We have them at our house too.
Yeah.
See, but he's eating the food. See the bird? See that pretty woodpecker up there with the red head? See the big woodpecker? Pretty. Oh, here.
Oh, no, you're fine. You're fine.
Who's out there?
Look, there's Stretch's cousin too.
Where?
Down there on the ground. To your right. You want to put this on the cookie? Want to put this? Look, let's. You may eat it, but let's put this on it. Want to? I guess not. Oh well.
Got a death grip on there.
Uh-huh.
Are you all done?
You find them? Oh, they're wonderful. Are they good? You don't talk about doing black walnuts. You don't even.
If you put some of that on it, you can have sprinkles on it.
See?
An older lady.
Just a little. No, you don't need any more. That's good. There. You can take a bite now.
Look at that. Dad.
Emma, you having a cookie?
Just in time to get a picture taken. What a cutie.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's not made out of clay, is it?
Sugar, would she like, if you show it to her, she's gonna want it.
Yeah, that's true. I think the point of this was decorating the cookie, not decorating Emma.
Are you all done with it?
Evan called me on Thanksgiving morning and he says, I think we might have a Krispy Kreme donut. And I said, that's wonderful. I just for breakfast ate 2 cookies. He said, this is a junk food day.
Oh.
I said,
They went to a
"Yeah."
neighbor's house? Oh, good. Is that neighbor with 2 or 3 kids? She had said to me that somebody right next to them was pregnant with their 3rd.
Yeah, I don't know which neighbor they went to.
Emma, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Ready?
You want to decorate a cookie?
Okay, Daddy, you're keeping.